Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rosé sangria. First, select a dry rosé wine, as its crisp notes provide an excellent base. Next, gather an assortment of fresh, ripe fruits such as strawberries, raspberries, and sliced oranges. Combine these ingredients in a large pitcher, ensuring everything is well mixed. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful beverage. For the perfect rosé sangria, a mix of fruits is key. Think about combining sliced peaches, blueberries, and lemon wedges to create a beautiful and flavorful blend. To sweeten, a quarter cup of simple syrup or a splash of orange liqueur works wonderfully. For an extra layer of complexity, a 2-ounce shot of brandy can elevate the drink, adding a subtle warmth. Once your fruits and liquids are ready, gently muddle a few pieces of fruit at the bottom of your pitcher to release their natural juices. Then, pour in the rosé wine, sweetener, and any spirits. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all flavors meld. Chilling the sangria for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight, allows the flavors to fully develop and deepen. When it's time to serve, pour your chilled rosé sangria over ice into individual glasses. Garnish each glass with a fresh mint sprig or an extra slice of fruit for an appealing presentation. This refreshing drink is perfect for gatherings or a relaxing evening. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing socks and other great products we recommend. Enjoy your homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.